Hey gamers, welcome back to the Top 5 today. We're about to embark on an epic journey through the top 6 gaming mobiles that fit to every budget. From budget-friendly options to high-end powerhouses, we've got the perfect gaming mobile for you, no matter your price range. So, buckle up, and let's dive into the world of gaming on the go. Starting by the Motorola Moto G84, a gaming powerhouse at an unbeatable price of $269 on Amazon. With a Snapdragon 695 chipset and Adreno 619 GPU, paired with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, it ensures seamless performance for all your gaming needs. Enjoy stunning visuals on its 6.5-inch POLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1300 nits brightness. Capture every moment with its dual 50-megapixel and 8-megapixel main camera setup and enjoy long gaming sessions with its 5000 mAh battery and 30-watt fast charging. Plus, with a Geekbench score of 1820 for points, it's ready to handle any game you throw at it. Don't miss out on the ultimate gaming experience with the Motorola Moto G84. At number 5, introducing the Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro, a gaming powerhouse packed with features at an affordable price of $369. Enjoy immersive gameplay on its 6.67-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and 1800 nits brightness. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra and Mali G615 GPU. Paired with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. It delivers smooth performance for even the most demanding games. Capture every moment with its triple 64 megapixel, 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel main camera setup. And take stunning selfies with its 16 megapixel front camera. With a 5000 mAh battery and 67-watt wired charging. You can game for hours without worrying about running out of power. Plus, with a Geekbench score of 4696, it's ready to handle any game you throw at it. Don't compromise on performance and unlock the full potential of gaming with the Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro. Coming in at number 4, the Xiaomi Poco F5 Pro, a gaming marvel priced at $520. This device is tailor-made for gaming enthusiasts. With its immersive 6.67-inch AMOLED display featuring a 120Hz refresh rate and 1400 nits brightness, every gaming session is a visual treat. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 CPU and Adreno 730 GPU, complemented by 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. It ensures seamless performance for even the most demanding games. It has magnificent triple camera system, 64, 8, and 2 megapixel cameras. The 16 megapixel At number 3, we're introducing the flagship mobile OnePlus 11, priced at $560. A durable and stylish option for gamers on the go. Its immersive 6.7-inch AMOLED display boasts a 120 Hz refresh rate and 1300 nits brightness, ensuring vibrant visuals and smooth gameplay. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU and Adreno 740 GPU with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. It delivers lightning-fast performance for demanding games. Capture every detail with its triple camera system, 50, 48, and 32-megapixel rear cameras, while the 16-megapixel front camera ensures crisp selfies. With a 5,000 mAh battery and blazing fast 100-watt wired charging that charge the mobile to 50% in just 10 minutes, you can enjoy uninterrupted gaming sessions. Plus, with a Geekbench score of 4,899, it's ready to tackle any game easily. Elevate your gaming experience with the OnePlus 11. In second place, we have the Asus ROG Phone 8, priced at $950. Stand out with its illuminated RGB logo on the back and enjoy enhanced gaming control with gaming triggers. Its 6.78-inch AMOLED display boasts 165 Hz refresh rate and 2500 nits brightness, delivering unparalleled visuals for gaming. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU and Adreno 750 GPU, with up to 16 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. It ensures smooth performance for demanding games. Capture every detail with its triple 50, 32 and 13 megapixel main camera setup, while the 32-megapixel front camera ensures crisp selfies. With a 5,500 mAh battery and 65-watt wired charging, you can charge the battery to 100% in just 39 minutes, which allow you to game for hours without interruption. Elevate your gaming experience with the Asus ROG Phone 8. In first place, introducing the RedMagic 9 Pro, priced at $680. Equipped with a built-in cooling fan and an aviation aluminum middle frame, it ensures optimal thermal performance during intense gaming sessions. Its expansive 6.8-inch AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate and 1600 nits peak brightness delivers stunning visuals and smooth gameplay. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU and Adreno 750 GPU with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. It guarantees seamless performance for demanding games. Capture every moment with its triple camera system, containing to 50-megapixel cameras and a 2-megapixel micro camera, while the under-display 16-megapixel front camera ensures clear selfies. With a massive 6,500 mAh battery, you can game for hours without interruption. This marvel comes with an 80-watt wired charger that charges the battery to 100% in just 35 minutes. Elevate your gaming experience with the RedMagic 9 Pro.